Explanation. Step 5. AngularJS as the user of the JSON. In this step, AngularJS will transmit JSON data in HTML. PHP by SQL query requested data from database CMS OOP table menu and encoded it in JSON format. AngularJS gets that data from JSON and inject them in HTML. In this way, the data from the database came into the HTML document with this address. We see all rows from the table menu. With this address, we see the only row in which menu ID has been chosen. It is only one row. Here is the AngularJS news with the least HTML required. Index.php, main controller, call this page, here is connection with JSON data. And name and content go here. When we have this address, it is for a root folder. When it is this address, second controller, and in second controller, AngularJS calling this page, question menu ID equal $scope num. It is this num. and we have address we have this address and calling a.php. It is all row from table menu. But when we click on some link, we have only one row, and you see now we have secondary. Always home, you see home. Always in address we have this sign, it is from bookmark. And after bookmark we have other part of address. And home, it is without address after bookmark, after hashtag. But when we click on some of the menu, we have second 1, second 2, second 3, and that is here. It is only, it is a root, and we call a.php in main controller. And in second num, we call select control, and in second we call this page with variable menu ID. And also here is contact with JSON data. For this menu, we need it call this Angular min.js script and also Angular root min.js. It is not enough only this. We need a root, because we have this argument here in this function, root params. It is, we need, because of this acquisition, because of the acquisition of this number, and it is number for variable menu ID. This is PHP. What here is not interested. And here is a.php. Here is directives ng, repeat. Here is address in AngularJS format. This is address with hashtag and second, and this is number, and here is a name. It is menu ID. It is from table menu field. Name is from table menu, coming here over PHP, JSON, and AngularJS is here in action. B, also directive repeat, name, content. It is name, it is content. Only one row. When we have home, it is name from table menu, name, and it is content, content, content. Here is only 400 character sign, and if we want more, click here or click here, home. AngularJS in index.php, we have this directive on top of HTML document. We have calling for AngularJS and calling for Angular root. And this is a script about AngularJS script for navigation, for web address. AngularJS in a.php is directives ng repeat and this construction of link in AngularJS format. It is menu ID from table fields, and here is name from table menu. Here is content and more. It is content only 400 character sign, and you see here is more. Here it is more, home, more, home. AngularJS in b.php is ng repeat, name, content. Different between A and B. Here is A and B. Here is b.php. We have name and content. There is no links. And in this situation, we have only one name and one content. It is only one row from table menu. Here it is. There is no links here. But when we have all, here is link. Here is link, or we use more. Because of that, this is b. This is b.php. There is no link, and there is no more. But and it is b. B.php, And a.php, we have a link. It is a name and link. And content, we have more, link more. It is a.php. Okay, thank you for watching. And we can go to explanation of step 6.